That is the sound of seeing Saturn's rings for the first time. What if I told you that most people buy the wrong telescope, get frustrated, and never experience that moment? We've tested dozens of scopes, from beginner refractors to deep space monsters, under dark skies and in backyards to find the 5 that actually deliver. One telescope in particular, a hidden gem for beginners, revealed details on Jupiter that I thought were impossible. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's find the perfect scope to unlock your universe. Starting at number 1. Celestron NexStar 5 SE Telescope. This compact telescope takes the guesswork out of finding your way around the cosmos, thanks to its skyline feature that automatically locates and tracks more than 40,000 celestial objects. It includes a red dot star pointer finder scope for easy aiming and a 25mm Plossl eyepiece. High-quality Schmidt-Cassegrain optics and a 5-inch aperture provide exceptional light gathering at this telescope's price point, making it easy for even newbie stargazers to get amazing views of the moon, constellations, and other celestial bodies. It even allows you to attach a DSLR camera to it so you can take photos of the night sky. Compatible with a wide range of Celestron accessories and attachments, this telescope can grow with you if you want to take your viewing to the next level. Number 2. Celestron PowerSeeker 70 EQ Refractor Telescope. This refractor telescope includes a 25mm Plossl eyepiece, a 2-inch Crayford focuser and a smartphone dock that puts the StarSense app at your fingertips for swiftly navigating the night sky. The app assists you in seeking out whatever stars or planets are most easily viewed from your location at that time. It mounts to an ultra-sturdy base to keep the scope securely in place. A 10-inch aperture is larger than most telescopes at this price point, and buyers are impressed by its image quality, as they're able to see Saturn's rings and even Jupiter's red spot. It's on the heavy side at nearly 50 pounds with the base included, but you'll appreciate the rugged build quality and stability offered as a result. The Celestron PowerSeeker 70 EQ is an easy-to-use and powerful telescope. This 70mm refractor telescope offers enough light-gathering ability to see planets, the moon's craters, distant stars, the Orion Nebula, and more. Manual German equatorial mount. With its slow-motion altitude rod, the German equatorial mount allows you to navigate the sky with ease. Find celestial objects quickly and follow them smoothly and accurately as they appear to drift across the night sky. Number 3. Vaonis Vespera Observation Station. The Vaonis Vespera Observation Station is more accurately described as an astrophotography robot as opposed to a traditional telescope. Using your smartphone or tablet, it self-calibrates to determine your location and what is viewable around you. Incredibly easy to set up, the Vespera comes to life with the press of a single button and is controlled via the Singularity app on your connected device. Packed with technology, its ultra-sensitive Sony CMOS sensor makes visible what can't be seen with the naked eye, and even those living in the city can venture into the cosmos with the purchase of an optional light pollution filter. The Vespera comes at a premium price, but if you want a guaranteed look into space without the hassle of setup, it's an astrophotographer's dream. Number 4. Skywatcher SkyMax Large Aperture Compound Reflector Telescope. Buyers appreciate that this telescope gives them the ability to get an astoundingly close look at faraway planets within our solar system. It features a fully baffled tube that keeps stray light from entering your field of view and obscuring your image. It includes a 28mm 2-inch eyepiece, a 2-inch 90-degree star diagonal, and a straight-through finder scope. This telescope doesn't include a tripod or the smart features that some competitors offer, making it a bit of a bare-bones purchase. What it lacks in accessories, however, it makes up for with its stellar image quality and durable construction. Number 5. Celestron NexStar 130 SLT Computerized Reflector Telescope. Celestron Star Locating Telescope uses Skyline to bring you on a personalized tour of the night sky based on what celestial bodies or points of interest are viewable from your location. With a library of more than 4,000 stars, galaxies, planets, and nebulae, you'll always find something incredible to observe. Its hand controller lets you move the scope as needed without having to adjust knobs and dials, and its compact design makes it great for camping trips or drives to optimal viewing locations. It includes a steel tripod, a star pointer scope, and a free download of Starry Sky, Celestron's interactive sky simulation app. And just like that, you're no longer just looking at the night sky, you're exploring it. From the craters of the moon to the faint glow of a distant galaxy, your journey starts with the right tool. So, which telescope has your name on it? Let me know what you want to see first in the comments below. If this guide helped you skip the frustration and find your perfect window to the cosmos, please support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with a future astronomer, and subscribe for more stargazing guides. Clear skies!